Ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? Let's dive into the psychology behind this fascinating phenomenon. When we see someone yawn, our brains can't resist joining in on the action. It's all thanks to these amazing brain cells called mirror neurons. These little cells fire not just when we yawn ourselves, but also when we witness someone else yawn. It's like they're whispering, "Hey, let's do that too." But it's not just mimicry. It's deeper than that. Yawning in response to others is linked to empathy and emotional contagion, where we unconsciously mirror the emotions of those around us. Contagious yawning might be our way of saying, "Hey, I feel what you're feeling and we're in this together." And that's not all. Catching a yawn may actually help us bond and strengthen our social connections. It's like a little nod to the trust and comfort we feel around each other. But anyway,